Class 9 today I will start exercise 8.4. Before that I have to tell you some formulas. Okay, it is already in page number 140. Page 140. Okay, 140. If you want to go through it, go to page number 140. You will get. Now what is formula 1? X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3x yz equals to x plus yz x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Means when you have three variables x, y, z and it has cube individually, with that one you have 3x, y, z, then formula is this. Okay, we'll use this formula as well as see question formula 2. If x plus y plus z equals to 0, if x plus y plus z equals to 0, means if this portion will become 0, so what we can do, in place of x plus y plus z we can write 0, so it will become x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3x yz. 0 into this, 0 into this will give you 0. Now x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3x yz. Now this minus 3x yz I am taking this side, it will become plus 3x yz. So please learn this one only. When x plus y plus z equals to 0, then we will say that x cube plus y cube plus z cube equals to 3x yz. Okay, copy this one. Now class 9, see exercise 8.4, page number 141. Okay. Question 1 is x cube plus y cube minus 12x yz plus 64. They are telling us to factorize this given expression. So what you will do, what is the formula of x cube plus y cube plus z cube? Formula minus 3x yz. Formula is x plus y plus z. Then x square plus y square plus z square minus minus xy minus yz minus zx. This is the formula. This one is given to you, only you have to arrange this one. Now you can see here you have x cube plus y cube plus z cube. After that you have minus 3x yz. But in this one you have x cube, okay, x cube you have, plus y cube you have. But plus z cube is this one. So first we will write plus 64. Why? Because we can make cube of 64. In the third term it is given z cube. So we have to write such a number so that we can make cube of that number. Okay. So if we I have plus 64, I am taking this one first, and in the last I am writing minus 12x y z. Now x cube plus y cube, 64 is the cube of 4. If you don't know, please take the LCM. 4 ones are 4. Then 2 will come here. Okay, 2 using 2's table. 2 3's are 6. 2 2's are 4. Then 2 1's are 2. 2 6's are 12. 2 8's are 16. 2 4's are 8. 2 2's are 4, 2 1's are 2. Now you can see 2 is how many times? 6 times. So you can take pair of 2, 2 and 2. 2 2's are 4. So 4, again 2 2's are 4. Then again 2 2's are 4. You have to make 64 such that it will become cube. If I will take 4, 4, 4 3 times, then we will get 64. 4 4's are 16, 16 4's are 64. So in place of 64 I can write 4 cube. Okay, minus 3x yz. So 3 is in formula. You can see 3 is in formula, write 3. Now what is x? X is x square only, x only. Y is y only, and z is 4. Now you can, when you will multiply 3 into 4, 12, 12 into xy, 12xy. You will get the same thing. So what you will see that yes, we have 3, first write 3, okay, because it is in formula. Then xy. So in your question x is x only and y is y only. That is why I am writing xy. But z, here you have z, in place of z we have 4. That is why I am writing 4. When you will multiply 3 4's are 12. 12 into xy will give you 12xy, which is we have in our question. Okay. Now after that, what is the formula of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3x yz? Formula is x plus y plus z, then x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Okay, so x plus y plus z, x is x, y is also y, plus z, z is 4. So write here 4. Then x square. So write x square because we have x as a x only, plus y square. Okay, y square is also y, plus z square. Z square means 4 square. Okay, minus xy. Minus sign I have given xy. xy. Okay, then minus yz. Y, then z. Okay, then minus zx. Z. Which one is z? 4. X is x. Okay, just I am going through this formula, I am writing according to this formula, x plus y plus z. But x is x already, y is y already, but in place of z we have 4. This is the difference between this question and that formula. Okay. So x plus y plus z will not be able to add up anything here. Now x square plus y square, 4 square will give you 16 minus xy, y into 4, 4y. Always when you have variable as well as one digit, one constant term, write first constant term, then that variable. 4 into x, 4x. So this one is your answer. Okay, copy this one. Now class 9C, question number 2, it is given 8x cube minus y cube plus 1 plus 6xy. So 8x cube you can make cube of 2, so 2x cube you can write. But according to our formula is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3x y z. But in this question we have minus y, but we need plus y. So at that time when you have negative sign in place of positive sign, we need positive sign, but we have negative sign. At that time what you will do, you will write plus and this negative sign you will write inside the bracket. Again I am repeating, in the formula it is x cube plus y cube plus y cube. Sign is positive, but in our question sign is negative. At that time what you will do, you will give plus sign and inside the bracket you will write that minus sign which is given in your question. Now if you will open, I am telling you one thing, if you will open, since you have odd power, minus sign will come and here you have plus. Again it will become plus minus, minus again same thing will come. Only whenever you have minus sign in place of plus sign, to arrange it into formula you have to write inside the bracket that minus sign. Okay. Now plus 1 cube will be 1, so we can write 1 cube. So I got a cube plus b cube, x cube plus b cube plus x cube plus y cube plus z cube. Now we need minus 3x yz. Okay, so minus, first we will write minus, then 3 because it is in the formula, minus 3, then x is 2x, so you will write 2x, then y is minus y. So write minus y. Whenever you are writing, wherever you will write y, you have to write minus y because it is already you have taken inside the bracket. Means it is the part of y, minus y. Okay. Now z cube. So z is 1 minus 3x yz. So then z is 1. Okay. So yeah, now you can see minus minus plus 3 2s are 6, 6 into x, 6x, 6x into y, 6xy into 1, 6xy. Okay, you will get same plus 6xy when you will multiply this minus 3 into 2x minus y into 1. Now this one is the formula. What is the formula? X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. This one you got, you have arranged already. Formula is x plus y plus z. Okay, then x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. According to this formula you have to arrange this. X plus y plus z means x is 2x y is minus y, so plus, write minus inside the bracket, plus z is 1. Again x square means 2x whole square plus y square means minus y square plus z square, this one is square, z square means 1 square minus xy, x is 2x, y is minus y, so we will write inside the bracket so you will not get confused. Then you have minus yz, minus sign, y is minus y, z is 1, minus z is 1 and x is 2x. Okay. Now you will open the bracket 2x plus minus minus y plus 1. Square, 2 square will be 4, x square will be x square plus minus y square. It will give you y square. Why? Because power is even. When you have power as an even number, then minus sign will remove. Okay. Plus 1 square will give you 1 only. Now see, minus minus plus 2x into y, 2xy. Minus minus plus y into 1, y. Here no signs, minus I have to do 1 into 2x, 2x. So this one is your answer. If you want to arrange it, you can arrange it. I am not doing further. If you want to arrange, you can write 4x square first, then y square, then 2xy, then x first, then y in the last. Okay. Otherwise, this one is the right answer. Okay. Complete this one. Now class 9C, question number 5, it is given 3a minus 2b whole cube plus 2b minus 5c whole cube plus 5c minus 3a whole cube. If this type of question will come, 1 and 2 which I told you is the same type of question, but this one is different. Okay. Now in this one, if you have this type of thing, 3a minus 2b whole cube, then 2b minus 5c whole cube, then 5c minus 3a whole cube, then what you will do? First of all, you will let this one inside one, always you will let inside one. Let 3a minus 2b equals to a, b, c is already here, so I am writing x. Let 3a minus 2b equals to x. Now this one 2b minus 5c equals to y and 5c, this one 5c minus 3a equals to z. Okay, always this in this type of question always you will let the question. Okay, let some part of the question, which is 3a minus 2b equals to x, 2b minus 5c equals to y, 5c minus 3a equals to z. Now what you will do, you will find x plus y plus z, means x plus y plus z. It means you will write in place of x, what you will write? 3a minus 2b, then plus sign. Now y is 2b minus 5c, then plus sign. Then z is 5c minus 3a. Okay. What I am doing, I am adding x plus y plus z. In place of x, I left it 3a minus b, so I am writing 3a minus b. Then in place of y, I am writing 2b minus 5c. Then in place of z, I am writing 5c minus 3a. Just I am adding x plus y plus z. Now you can see plus 3a minus 3 will cancel out. Minus 2b plus 2b will cancel out. 5c plus 5c will cancel out. You will get 0. I told you in the second formula, if x plus y plus z equals to 0, then what you can write? Go to that formula and see, we have written if x plus y plus z equals to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube equals to 3xyz. I told you to learn only these two parts. No need to just put and find. Just you have to learn that if x plus y plus z equals to 0, then we can say x cube plus y cube plus z cube equals to 3xyz. So I am getting x plus y plus z equals to 0. That is why I have written x plus y plus z equals to 0. If I am getting 0, then I can say x cube plus y cube plus z cube equals to 3xyz. Now in this one, x cube plus y cube plus z cube. X is 3a minus 2b, 3a minus 2b whole cube. Y is 2b minus 5c, 2b minus 5c, and z is 5c minus 3a, 5c minus 3a. Okay. X cube plus y cube plus z cube. X value is 3a minus 2b. I have written. Since I have cube, I am taking cube. Then y value is 2b minus 5c. I have written. Z value is 5c minus 3a. Now in this place, what we can write equals to this. It means that in this place, x cube plus y cube plus z cube place, we can write 3x, y, z. 3 you have to write because it is in formula. X is 3a minus 2b. Then y is 2b minus 5c and z is 5c minus 3a. This one is your answer. Again I am repeating the thing. If this type of question will come, 3a minus 2b whole cube plus 2b minus 5c whole cube plus 5c minus 3a whole cube. First what you will do, you will let first part as x, second part as b and third part as z. Only inside one, not cube. Now you will add x plus y plus z. In place of x, now you can write 3a minus 2b. In place of y, you can write 2b minus 5c. In place of z, you will write 5c minus 3a. You will get 0. If x plus y plus z equals to 0, it means you can say x cube plus y cube plus z cube equals to 3x y z. Now I am taking x cube plus y cube plus z cube. X cube plus y cube plus z cube. X is 3a minus 2b whole cube. Y is 2b minus 5c whole cube. I forgot to give it. And z is 5c minus 3a whole cube. Okay. Now I told you that x cube plus y cube plus z cube equals to 3x y z. So write 3 in place of x, 3a minus 2b. In place of y, 2b minus 5c. In place of z, 5c minus 3a. This one is your class 9. First I am doing question number 9. Then I will do 7 and 10. Okay. Now in this one it is same as question number 5. P q minus r whole cube. So we can write like this: p q minus r whole cube, because we have p cube as well as I have q minus r whole cube. So together I am writing p q minus r whole cube. Same I will do with this one: q r minus p whole cube. Then same with this one also: r p minus q whole cube. Okay. After this, what I will do, same thing which I had done with the last one, I am letting. So let p q minus r equals to x cube, r minus p equals to y, r p minus q equals to z. Now what I will do, I will add x, y, z. When I am adding x, y, z this side, I have to add this side also. So p q minus r plus q r minus p plus r p minus q. Now first multiply p into q, p q, p into r, p r, plus minus minus, plus p q into r, q r, plus minus minus, p into q, p q, plus p into r, p r, plus minus q r. Now you can see which portion will cancel. Plus p q minus p cancel, minus p r plus p r cancel, plus q r minus q r cancel. You are getting 0. I told you if you will get x plus y plus z equals to 0, it means that x cube plus y cube plus z cube equals to 3x y z. Formula number 2. So what I will write here, if x plus y plus z equals to 0, then what you can write, x cube plus y cube plus z cube equals to 3x y z. So x you have pq minus r, pq minus r whole cube, give cube in both, y cube in place of y cube, q cube and r minus p cube, again plus z cube. Z cube means r cube Now in place of x cube plus y cube plus z cube, I am writing b cube q minus r cube plus q cube r minus p cube r cube minus p minus r cube p minus q cube. Now you know that x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equals to 3xyz. So I will write this one. 3 first. X is p q minus r, y is q r minus p, z is r p minus q. Okay. Now what you can do? 3 p q r. I am writing first p q r. Then whatever is in the bracket I am writing after this. Same thing I have done. It is same as question number 5. Only difference is this: we have extras p cube, q cube and r cube. First I am doing whole cube of this. Then I am opening the bracket and cancelling. I am getting 0. If I will get 0, I can say x cube plus y cube plus z cube equals to 3xyz. So I am taking this one first and writing value of x cube, which is p cube q minus r cube. Value of y cube is this and z cube is this. Now you know that this one is equals to this if x plus y plus z equals to 0. So I am writing 3 first. The next value is p q minus r, y value is q r minus p, z value is r p minus q. P q r, this 3 are in multiplication. These all are in multiplication, but outside the bracket we have p q r. So first I am writing p q r with 3. Then whatever inside the bracket I am writing after this. So this one is your answer. Copy this book. Now class 9C, question number 7. It is a little bit difficult. Please try to understand it properly. Question is a to the power 6 plus 32 a cube minus 64. First what I am doing, I am writing minus 64 first, then I am writing plus 32 a cube. Why? Because we can make cube of 64. So if you have power as a 6, in law of indices you have done that a to the power 2 whole cube you can do. So it will come in cube and 1 2 will be inside the bracket. Now you know that we need plus, because formula is x cube plus y cube plus z cube. Okay, minus 3xyz. Okay, so we don't know what we will write in y place. Why I am telling you, but we know what we have to write in z place. 64 cube is 4, so we can write minus 4 cube, because I told you whenever you have minus sign you have to write inside the bracket. So minus 4 cube. Okay, now if formula is minus 3xy, so 3x is a square, y we don't know, z is minus 4. Okay, means which place you will leave? Place of y, x cube plus y plus z cube minus 3xyz. So I am leaving x place. Always you will leave x place. Now you will ask, ma'am, where is 32 a cube? We got 3a square and minus 4. We have to make this place and this place such that 32 a cube will come when we will add these two. Okay, now how we will do? In this place what you can put? There is one thing you can put, either plus minus a or plus minus 2a or plus minus 3a. Like this it will go on. Means always you will put a, 1a with sometime nothing is 1, sometime with 2, sometime with 3, and sign may be changed. Maybe plus a you can put, or plus 2a you can put, or plus 3a you can put. Maybe minus a you can put, minus 2a you can put, or minus 3a you can put. One by one you have to put, and you have to make it 32a cube by adding this one and this one. If you will put plus a, suppose that I am putting here plus a, so it will come a cube, because plus a means a only, and a cube minus minus. Okay, here also I am putting a minus minus plus 3 4s are 12. 12 a cube plus a cube. You are getting 13 a cube. But we need 32 a cube. Okay, I am putting plus 2a. Put plus 2a. If I will put plus 2 in both the sides, 2 cube will be 8, a cube will be a cube. Here 3 2s are 6. First minus minus plus. 3 2s are 6. Then 3 2s are 6. 6 4s are 24. A square into 8, a cube. Now you can add this to 8a cube and 24a cube you will get 32. Means you have to put first plus 1. If in plus 1 it is not coming, put that minus 1. Okay, first I did with a, but it is not coming. Now I have done with 2a, so it is coming 32. When you will add 8 plus 24, it will come 32. Please concentrate and do it properly because it is difficult, I also know. Okay. Now after this, you can make it into formula a cube plus b cube plus x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3x y z. What is the formula? You all know that formula is a plus x plus y plus z. So x plus y plus z means x, a square is x, y 2a plus z, because z we have minus. Okay, then x square means a square whole square plus y square is 2a whole square plus z square is minus 4 square. Okay, minus xy, x is a square, y is 2a minus yz. So y is 2a, z is minus 4. Since I have minus sign, that is why I am writing inside the bracket. Minus zx, formula is minus zx. Z is minus 4 and x is a square. Just I am putting in the formula, okay. Now a square plus 2a plus minus 4, a 2 and 2 2's are 4, a power 4 plus 2 square will be 4, a square will give a square. Plus sign, since we have power as an even number, then minus sign will remove, only 4 4's are 16. Now minus plus minus a square into 2a, it will come 2a cube minus plus 8a. 2a into 4, 8a minus plus 4a square. Now see whether it is possible to add or subtract something. In this one it is not possible, so I am writing answer this. In this one it is possible, plus 4a square plus 4a square. I can write plus 8a square. Anything? No. So I will write the rest one as it is. You can arrange this according to the power. If you don't want for it, you will get full marks. Okay? It does not matter at all. Okay? Again I am repeating. A to the power 6 plus 32a cube minus 64. A6 I am writing first, a to the power 6, then I am writing 64 because I can make cube of 64 which is 4. Now plus 32a cube I am writing in the last. Okay. Now every time, each and every time which place you will keep empty, by place. Okay. So I am writing a to the power whole cube, then I have written minus 4 whole cube. Okay. Why I am writing minus? Because I have minus sign here, but in formula I have plus sign, that is why I have to write minus. Now this place is written. Now 3x z, y we don't know. In y what we can put, there is one thing, you can put plus a or minus a, plus 2a or minus 2a, plus 3a minus 3a like this to get 32a cube after adding this one and this one or subtracting also. So when I am putting 2a cube I am getting 8a cube and here minus plus, here I am getting 24a cube plus 8a cube, you will get 32a cube. That is why after this I am opening in the bracket and getting this one answer. Okay, complete this one. Now class 9, see question number 10, p cube plus 1 by p whole cube plus 26 by 27. So first I am writing p cube 1 by p whole cube plus, now we can break this one in this form, 27 minus 1. If you will do 27 minus 1, you will again get 26. Why I am going to make it into cube? Because there is no cube for 26. 27 we have, it is a cube of 3, but there is no cube for 26. That is why I am doing 27 minus 1. If we will subtract, then again we will get 26 by 27. Okay. Now p whole cube plus 1 by p whole cube. We can write because 1 cube will be 1 only. Separate this 127 by 27 minus 1 by 27. We can separate this 27 with this one as well as with this one. Okay. Now p cube plus 1 by p whole cube. 27 होगा 27 होगा 1 minus 1 by 27 is 1 by 3 cube. Okay. I am writing this one minus inside and I am giving plus sign to make it into formula. Now this one is our x cube, this one is y cube, and this one is z cube. Okay. And why I am telling you, p cube means x cube plus 1 by p cube plus minus 1 by 3 cube minus 3xyz cube. 3x is p, y is 1 by p, and z is minus 1 by 3. Okay. Now you can see 3 can cancel, p can cancel, and 1 plus 1 will give you 1 minus 1. Minus 1 and minus 1 will give you plus 1. Again I am repeating why I am not taking 1 cube to make it into formula and why I am taking minus 1 by 3 to make it z. I am taking z as a minus 1 by 3 so that because in the formula you know that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz we know. Okay. X cube y cube, it is confirmed that p cube and 1 by p cube will be x cube and y cube, but which one we will take, this one or this one? It's depend upon this one. When you will solve this one, then you can see p 3 will cancel, p will cancel, again you will get minus minus plus, and 1 into 1 1. So you are getting in place of 3x y z 1 and you have only plus 1. That is why I am taking minus 1 by 3 as a z and 1 in place of 3x y z. Now what is the formula? Don't cancel this one. I am just showing you why I am writing minus 1 by 3 in place of z, not 1. Now x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3x y z formula is x plus y plus z. X plus y plus z. Then you have x square. X square means p square plus y square 1 by p square plus z square means 1 by 3 square. I am not getting place, that is why I am writing here. You can start writing here. Minus xy. X y minus yz. Y and z is minus 1 by 3. Minus zx. Minus z and x is p. Okay. P plus 1 by 3 plus minus minus 1 by 3. P square plus 1 by p square plus, since we have power as a element, so this side will remove, so you will get 1 by 9. 3 square will give you 9. Now you can see this p will cancel, so minus 1 minus minus plus 1 into 1 1, 3 into p 3p, minus minus plus p is up and 3 is down. Okay. Now you can see one thing you can solve. Plus 1 by 9 minus 1 by 9. When you will take LCM, you will get 1 minus 9. This plus 1 by 9 and minus 1. Plus 1 by 3p plus 3 by 3. So when you will subtract, you will get minus 8. I am rubbing this portion, otherwise I will not be able to fix it. P plus 1 by p minus 1 by 3, then p square plus 1 by p square minus 8 you will get, and plus minus minus 8 by 9 plus 1 by 3p plus 3 by 3. Okay, so this one is your answer. Please go through it 2 or 3 times, then you will understand, otherwise you will get confused. Okay, your homework is question number exercise 8.4, question number 3, 4, 6 and 8. And you will send your homework in this given email ID. nilufar.sma@outlook.com, and if you have any queries, you will ask me there only. Okay? Related to any regarding any question. Okay? Thank you.